Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated the state's first centrifuged latex manufacturing unit at Kokse Nengsat under Songsak block in East Garo Hills. This is only the second such unit in Northeast. Funded by the state government through MBMA at Rs 18.8 crore, the unit is managed by Sister Rose of Mendipathar Multipurpose Cooperative Society and will benefit nearly 3,000 rubber farmers in Garo Hills. Calling it a major boost for the farming community, the Chief Minister said such interventions are key to realizing Meghalaya's $10 billion economic goal. He highlighted related initiatives like Nokma ice cream, Awang chips and mushroom farming. The Chief Minister also laid the foundation for Meghalaya's first fruit dehydration unit at Rs 23 crore project, expected to be completed by November 2026. It will benefit over 5,000 farmers and reduce post-harvest losses. PHE Minister Marcus Marak, MLA Marthan Sangma and Sister Rose were present at the event.
We are here in Sinengsak village in East Garo Hills, and as you can see behind me, we are here to lay the foundation for the fruit dehydration unit. This is almost a 23 crore unit that will be set up in the next 15 months. And based on this, fruits like pineapple, banana, oranges, jackfruit and other products will be dehydrated and will be packaged to be then exported also and sold all over the country. The advantage of this, of course, is that the fruits which would have normally gone to waste will now be processed, and the farmers will get a lot of benefit out of this. And this is, of course, one of the first of its kind in the entire state. And we expect anything between 10,000 to about 15,000 farmers to be benefited directly because of this project. And a turnover of approximately, in the initial stages, about 10 crores, but ultimately about 15 to 20 crores in terms of turnover will be there in terms of the production of this particular unit. And again, this is one of the steps being taken by our government to ensure that we are able to increase the farmers' income by adding value and having food processing in this entire process. So this is a very big step, and we expect that the production of this particular plant, the completion and production of this plant should be ready by next year, 2026, before Christmas. So before the next pineapple season in 2026 in the winter, we hope that this particular plant will be completed by then.